now, but I feel water dripping on my head. I think I might hear them. Be quiet for a minute, you can listen. He told me it was only a half mile, and I've come pretty close to a half mile. My feet are soaked because the ground is wet, and like I said, it's not like it's a path. This is what I'm walking on. Oh, I see water. There's water. That must mean we're close. I do kind of hear it. Whoa, I could have fallen in any of these holes. I really got to watch my footing. Sorry. Just let you see what I can, but I've got to watch the ground. It's catching up to my shirt. It's not even a big deal, but I'm trying to film while I'm making my way through this mess of overgrown stuff. Okay, see, this is what I'm walking through, and this is what it goes down a hill, and it goes that way, so I have to be really careful that I don't fall down that hill. It's not like I'm young. Okay, there's the water. I don't see any waterfalls. Okay, let's keep on going. Can you see the water? See? No waterfall back that way either, right? Okay. Let's go. We're still going. Nice walk. Just trying to go fast so I can make it there before I end this video. Keep with me, guys. The path is opened way up. It's really nice now. Let me jog a little bit. Maybe that'll get us there faster. I hear it. I don't see it, but I hear it. Whoa. Let's try my ankle that time. See the path's way there, though.